If I could offer you art beyond your wildest expectations, and all I required from you was a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, a bit of persistence, and a will to succeed, I can offer you that, but you need to follow me after this break. So, what am I offering you then? I'm offering you the chance to learn from me as time goes on how to improve your art beyond your wildest expectations at very, very little cost. Extremely little cost, in fact. I am expecting you to learn all about tones and to get them right. Show you the benefits of light-handedness. It will also improve your insight into paper textures, will take you beyond your wildest expectations, and all just for a little bit of effort, really. What am I talking about? Maybe I can show you a few pictures first. I'm talking ballpoint pen, and I know you're all shrieking in horror. I can hear it across the world right now. But believe me, there has never ever been such an accessible and easy medium to get into. At so little cost, at such great reward. You need to follow me on this journey with ballpoint pens. I don't just do ballpoint pens, as you know. I do oil pastels and probably about 20 other mediums. But ballpoint pens, they are outstanding. And you've just seen a couple of artworks. I'll show you a couple more as time goes on. We're going to look at the blue or the black pen at the moment, and in the next video, I'm not going to overwhelm you in this one, but in the next video I'm going to show you some basic strokes, and then we're going to progress from there. It won't take many videos as it happens, but over the course of each video you'll learn a little bit more, and I'd love to see your artworks that you start producing, presuming you want to have a go. But believe me, if there's one medium that is going to improve your art beyond your wildest dreams, it's going to be this, because you will learn so much from this one medium. You'll take what you've learned from this ballpoint pen medium into your other work, and you will improve beyond expectations. Nearer to the end, I'm going to show you my latest work in progress. Now, this latest work in progress is coloured ballpoint pen, but that is slightly different to me just showing you either a black and a blue ballpoint pen. There are different permutations. So what I'm going to do in future videos is I'm going to do a very slow succession, and it won't take long. I'm going to show you some of the basic ways of using the ballpoint pen, how to use the ballpoint pen, some of the reasons that it may not be working for you right now, some of the ways to actually use it to get the best out of it, some of the value of it. Now, I'll explain that in future videos. I'm not going to overwhelm you in this video. I'm going to introduce you to the fact that I'm going to do a few ballpoint pen tutorials. I'm going to do other tutorials, not just ballpoint pen and oil pastels. I'm going to do a load of other tutorials, but this is the one that will change your art. If you can master this, and I know you can because it's so accessible and so easy, and it will give you results that you never expected you could get. I mean, I'm astounded at every time I do one now. I think I never knew I could achieve this, but it's only because I started doing ballpoint pen. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some basic strokes to get you started. And I think what you should do with that is to practice them strokes. Practice filling in a box or a circle or something like that. And we'll get to the point where we can then start looking at doing some pictures.